This is an addiction. Okay, rewind. It's June. It's blazingly hot in Canada. My coworker is showing off his media server. Naturally, I want it, so I ask, can I have access to it? He says, I would, but a lot of people are already using it. Nobody tells me no. So the hobby begins. And so far, it's been insane. Since then, I've built a dedicated home server on consumer hardware. I know, consumer hardware is unreliable. Use ECC memory instead. Cry about it in the comments. The point is, now I can do whatever I want, whenever I want. Meet the beast. Inside this bad boy, we aren't running a 10-year-old jet engine. Instead, we have Ryzen 9 5900X, GTX 1050 Ti for transcoding, 48 gigs of RAM, and 20 terabytes of raw storage. Why so much power? You see, I have a problem. I have 30 containers running. If you don't know what a container is, imagine an invisible tiny computer running inside my main computer. Each of these containers are isolated, dedicated, and efficient. One container is running my ad blocking, one container is running all my movies, and one container is stealing my data back from Google. And today, I'm showing you the big three, which made all of this worth it. First up, the reason we are all here, Plex. Remember that coworker? Neither do I, because I built my own Netflix. This is not just a folder of files, this is a full streaming service. It downloads the posters, theme music, and subtitles automatically. And the best part, it's free, no monthly fees. No, are you still watching? No, you can't share this with your family or friends. Even a single of your favorite show getting cancelled because the algorithm said so. I can stream 4K, HDR, high bitrate directly to my TV, laptop, and mobile devices, even remotely. Is it legal? I rip my own Blu-rays, officer. Next question. Okay, let's be real right now. The internet is disgusting. You click on an article, 400 ads pop up. You click on a news site, and your phone just had a seizure. Enter Pi-hole. This is a black hole for all the internet ads. I installed this on my home server and routed all my internet traffic through this. Watch this. Left side choked by ads. Right side, it loads before my thumb moves from the screen. Looking at this dashboard, seeing 12,000 queries blocked, make me feel like a hacker, as if I'm protecting my fortress. It's so satisfying. Finally, the big one. We all have had that notification, iCloud storage full, Google Drive storage full, give us $5.99 forever. No, I'm running my own Nextcloud. This is my own Google Drive running directly at my home server. I take a photo on my phone, boom, it instantly backs up on my server. I need a document on my laptop, it's synced. And the storage limit, it's not 15 gigabyte or 1 terabyte. It's 20 terabytes or whatever else I want it to be. I can just keep adding more whenever I want, however I want. Do you know how much Google charges for 20 terabytes of storage? Your soul. Now, I made this look easy. Just install the box. It's not. I broke my server 5 times already, lost some data. I spent Saturday night debugging a YAML file because I missed a single space. Self-hosting is a rabbit hole. It's frustrating, it breaks. But when it works, you are streaming your own movie on your own cloud with 0 ads. It's the best feeling in the world. Oh, and one last thing. I know some of you eagle-eyed viewers saw the URL in the videos and are currently opening the terminal to DDoS me. I would like to sincerely, from the bottom of my heart, say, it's behind Tailscale, so you can't. Good luck with that. I have 27 other containers running on this thing. If you want to see how I set things up or watch me break it again, hit subscribe. Let me know in the comments what should I host next. Peace.